Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Oh, I am Sharanya Deshmukh and this is May Bheda. बोल देती हूँ कि so sorry we look homeless because this was a very spontaneous plan.
So, if you are an OG viewer, you would remember that we had our first date at Clap. But they have launched a new summer menu. So, we're here to test that out. And I've ordered. I have never found good fish and chips in Nagpur. I've never found fish and chips in Nagpur, period. But I'm so excited for these because I trust Clap काफी ज़्यादा with fried food at least. So I hope it's gonna be good. And then we've also gotten the chili chicken smash burger.
And wait, the best part.
Also sounds amazing.
So, not gonna lie, legit yesterday I sent her the new menu ka photo. Ki there's slushies, there's a watermelon cooler and a mango.
And then
Sold.
she's more of a watermelon person. I think I'm more of a mango. But her thing with mango is you just get potty.
Diarrhea.
Potty when you have mango. I get potty when I have anything.
No, I have
So-
but you have good shit, right?
Yeah, I have good shit.
I have terrible.
My shit has not been that good recently. I told you, right? मेरा whole-
But yesterday you had a good shit.
Oh, yesterday I had the best shit of my life.
We were talking about
Shit.
shit just before we eat, by the way.
So we'll check back in with you when the food comes.
I hope we don't forget. That's my thing.
He wanted. The fish and chips are here. And this.
They smell like you're on
I can't
vacation.
talk because there's so much water in my mouth.
Let's go.
I'm gonna try just the fish with the sauce. God can uthaw me from this earth right now. I would have no complaints. Now we review the fries, and then I'm gonna do it with the mushy peas. They're not fully mushy. They're like slightly just.
I did not
something.
know they were peas, by the way. I was like, what the fuck is that? The
The
camera?
peas are okay, but the
Look
fries are
at
really
the
good.
look at the shiny fish.
It's so soft. It has no weird fishy flavor. I think easy 10 on 10. For Nagpur standards, I do not like this city. अगर अभी तक समझा लिया तुम लोगों को तो. I do not like this place, but for Nagpur standards, it's absolutely 10 on 10. So, second thing we got in is the
Chimichurri chicken burger.
chimmy chicken smash burger. इनकी fish नहीं खत्म हो रही. मैंने पूरी fish पेल दी अपनी in like 2 minutes. Gone. I'm so happy whenever I'm here and whenever I'm with her. So मेरा ऐसे exponentially increase हो रहा है and fish and chips. Oh my god.
If you
I'm
look
having-
at, if you ever see us in college, you will understand what we mean by that. We're like corpses walking around,
and then we collide and then it generates a spark.
fireworks.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, cheers. So the chimichurri burger. I think यहाँ का fried chicken is better. In my opinion, the chimichurri is pretty good. The sauce is okay, but got a little bit dry in our mouths. And then also, I think after the fish and chips, थोड़ा सा मेरी expectation थोड़ी ज़्यादा ही high हो गई थी. So I would rate it like an 7.5, 8 on 10, but still amazing. If you like really like chimichurri, definitely try. But then
So we ordered the raw mango slushy and the watermelon basil slushy. Oh my god, they look so nice.
oh god, the slush is like melting.
Sip, ready?
3,
1,
2, 1. I love. I like mine better. You like yours better. This 9 on 10. 1 point I deducted because they were way too late in bringing this out. तो उसकी वजह से मेरे वाली की ice melt हो चुकी है. But that's okay. And then for her drink, in my opinion, like a 7. It's good, but
it's not your.
cup of tea. It's not my cup of watermelon slushy.
This I would give a 7 or an 8. The thing is, depends on what I want to have. If I want to have something which is like, then have that. But if I want to have something which is like, I'll have this.
Versus
And for me, this is something I would like order every single day. Because first of all, Nagpur is hot as fuck. Overall, I think I'll give it like a 9.5.
like the whole experience.
The entire thing. Or maybe a 9 because I did not like the burger as much.
Yeah. I was still a 9.5 because you were here. So half a point for that, just for me having good company. So that was it for our review.
Thank you for being a part of this experience. We love you. No, look.